What is going on, guys? My name is Monarch and welcome to another video. If you really want to grow a YouTube channel, I'm going to tell you 5 critical things that you must keep in mind. And we are going to start right now. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, make videos and all type of other YouTube related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell button so you will never miss anything. If you are making a video for YouTube, it makes sense that you want more people to watch those videos and that you want more people to keep coming back to your channel to watch those videos even more. So the things I'm going to cover today are the critical elements that you need to keep in your mind to grow your channel. Here is number 1. It's very important that you get very familiar with your audience retention report inside your YouTube analytics. But why this is important? You might ask. Because on YouTube, watch time is a golden key. The better your retention, the harder the videos are going to work on your behalf. Plus, the longer the new viewers watch your videos, they are more likely to subscribe to your channel, which is extremely important if you are trying to grow your YouTube channel. Also, if people watch videos longer, they are more likely to take other forms on your channel as well. Comments, likes, a subscribe, adding videos to playlist, share in other platforms, which can also help you grow your YouTube channel because it's pulling more people into your content. In addition to the positive signal that you are sending into YouTube. The second critical thing is that you look at the platform itself with all the different options that it has. And you take advantage of all of those options to build yourself a rock solid watch time trap. Watch time trap? Yes, you will say, what does that even mean? A watch time trap is where you create all of your content based around playlist, based in reference to other videos and things like that. So that you can constantly be sending people to more and more of your content. So, since you are tapping into the interest, they are more likely to watch more and more of your content. Because you are verbally making a reference for them to go and watch your videos. And you have things popping up over here on the screen to draw their attention to go and watch your videos more and more. You have got pinned comment, link to the other playlist in your description. If you get series playlist put together so that YouTube can recommending your content next to each other. All of it, the idea is basically to where when somebody watches one of your video, you are creating all of these other opportunities for them to go watch and consume more of your videos, which again increase the chance of engagement, like being a subscriber, commenting, liking, sharing your videos, watch more of your content and so on. The third one in the list is to learn to rank your video in search result. Search is a major traffic source, and if you are not tapping into it, then you are missing all of the additional traffic that you can get from search. Now, of course, once things start swelling up, more of your traffic is most likely to come from browse feature and suggested videos. But you are getting all of the traffic from browse feature and suggested feature, plus whatever you get from this search feature, like 15%, let's say 20%, 25%, whatever it is, that is your extra benefit. So if you have a lot of views, it gets amplified. But if you have a little bit of views, it really helps you pull more traffic, which is really critical when you are trying to grow your YouTube channel. There are tons of videos on YouTube about how to rank your videos. So make sure you spend time educating yourself on how to work on SEO in YouTube. Also, TubeBuddy can help you in title, tags and how to rank your videos. I'll put description below as well so you can check it out there as well. Number 4 in the list is to make great effective thumbnail. It can really help you grow your views. You have to win clicks. You may have better content, best content on the earth. But if your title and thumbnail doesn't look good, then nobody's gonna know. Number 5 in the list is production quality. Your video quality. You have to make sure that your video quality is best, as good as you can make. What I mean by that is your video should have better lighting. You don't need to buy one. You can go in sunlight and make video. Make sure your audio quality is also decent, which is also extremely important. Making a video in dark room with bad audio is not gonna work nowadays. You have to level up. If you need to go outside, you can go out in sunlight and make video over there. Make sure you have better sound as well. In addition to this critical things, I'm gonna put my playlist over here and below as well in description so that you can watch it out to how to rank your videos, how to get keywords and many more things inside that playlist. So make sure you watch that, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.